Okay, one of the things that you need to be able to do if you want to multiply using the abacus is you have to be able to multiply left to right. And since most people are used to multiplying right to left, I thought it would be helpful to see first on pencil and paper how to perform left to right multiplication. So we'll take a look at 3 examples. And the first example that we've got here, simple one, 21 times 7. We want to multiply left to right. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to count how many digits you've got here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start in the thirds position or the hundreds position. So I'm just going to draw these lines here to keep track of, put things in the proper column. Okay, so first, left to right, we've got 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So I'll put a 14 down. And now I start here with 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is 0, 7. I want to keep that 0 there to keep my positions correct. And then you add everything together. And of course, when you're working with the abacus, the addition goes along automatically. So this is just an extra step. But if we add this together, we have 147. So that's a relatively simple one, 2-digit by 1-digit. Let's look at a 3-digit by 2-digit one. So here's a second example that we're going to look at. 357 times 82. And as I mentioned before, we're multiplying left to right, so it's really crucial that you get the right starting position. So we count here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we're going to have to start in the 5th digit over from the decimal. So let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to start here. And we'll take care of the 8 first. So 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 8 is 40. And 7 times 8 is 56. And what we've done here is we've taken care of multiplying by 8. It's really 80 because 8 is in the tens position. And notice that since 8 is in the tens position, we wind up with this final answer here in the tens position. Okay, so now let's take care of the 2. Okay, so let's multiply everything by 2. Now, when we multiplied by the 8, we started here in this column here. Now, when we multiply by 2, we'll shift columns over, one to the right. So we're going to start here now instead. So we have 3 times 2 is 6. We want to think of that as 0, 6 to keep ourselves aligned properly. Now 5 times 2 is 10. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And now we've taken care of the multiplying by 2. And 2 is in the ones position. And notice that our final calculation here, we did line up with the ones position. Now the final step that is extra with working on pencil and paper, you don't have an abacus because you take care of things as you go along. We add things together. So this will be a 2, this is 8, but it's going to have a carry, it's going to be 9. And this is 12. Already took care of the carry. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4. So the answer here is 29,274. So those are relatively simple examples. Let's take a look at a third example, a 3-digit by a 3-digit. So here is our third example, and we've got 546 times 918. Again, left to right multiplication, it is absolutely crucial that you start in the correct position. So count how many digits you've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to start in the 6th position to the left of the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay, so let's take care of the 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. 4 times 9 is 36. And 6 times 9 is 54. And so here we've taken care of multiplying by 9. And this is really 900. So notice that our final calculation with this was in the hundreds position. So we're in the correct spot. Now let's take care of the 1. And with multiplying by the 9 in the hundreds position, we started here. Now we're going to shift over and we're going to start right here. So 5 times 1 is 0, 5. 4 times 1 is 0, 4. And 6 times 1 is 0, 6. Okay, so there we've got multiplying by 1, but it's in the tens position. It's really multiplying by 10. And notice that our final digit here is in the tens position. Last one, multiply by the 8. Okay, let's just bring these down a little further just so we can keep straight what's going on here. Okay, we started in this position for the 9, this position for the 1, and now we'll start in this position for the 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. And that's the last one that we've got. And so this is times 8, and it was in the ones position. We ended up in the right spot. Final step is to add everything together. That's taken care of as you manipulate the Soroban beads. So this is just an extra step for paper. And adding right or left to right. Got a 4 here, but we're going to have a couple of carries here. So this is going to, or 1 carry here. This is going to be a 5. This is 8, but this will have 2 carries, so this is going to be a 0. And then this is, we've got 10, 20. That's going to have a carry there, so 21. And this is 11. We already took care of that carry, so there. Or actually, sorry, we've got a carry there, so this is actually going to be a 2, because we have another carry from here, so this is 12, so 2 here, and then 8. So our final answer is 501,228. So this is what we have on paper. Let's go ahead and see how this works with using the Soroban. We'll do the same exact thing, just on the Soroban.